Good day everyone, I am Liana BLB Toltot from Grade 10 Pearl. And today we're going to talk about assignments on weekends. Is it helpful or harmful? Weekends, the 2 days we all look forward to after a long week of school. They are supposed to be for rest, family, and fun. But lately, weekends have turned into something else. Another school week in disguise, filled with assignments. The question is, are weekend assignments really helping us learn more, or they are just taking away our chance to rest? Let's be honest, every Friday afternoon, many students make big plans. Sleeping in, watching a movie, maybe going out with friends or spending time with families. But then reality hits when a teacher says, "Don't forget your assignments due on Monday." Suddenly, our fun weekends turn into a stressful one. Instead of enjoying our break, we spend hours doing our homework. We've all been there, that Sunday night panic, realizing the weekend is almost over and the work isn't done yet. It's a shared student experience, and it makes us wonder if this is really the best way to learn. Assignments are meant to help students understand lessons better. They allow us to review what we've learned and apply it independently. Teachers give weekend assignments because they believe extra practice will strengthen our knowledge and improve our grades. However, weekends are also designed for rest, time for the brain to relax and recover. Studies have shown that taking breaks actually improves focus and creativity. So when students are overloaded with work during weekends, it may lead to burnout and loss of motivation. Let's look at both sides. Those who support weekend assignments argue that students have more free time on weekends, so it's the perfect opportunity to study without distractions. They say it helps us develop discipline and time management skills. But on the other hand, students and parents argue that weekends should be a break from academic pressure. We already spend 5 full days in school. Giving assignments on weekends only adds stress and prevents quality family time. Instead of improving learning, it often causes exhaustion. Teachers, if you are listening, we are not asking to skip learning. We are just asking for balance. Instead of giving us heavy assignments every weekend, teachers can assign lighter, more creative tasks, things that encourage reflection, reading, or simply review, without taking away our rest. Education is important, but so is our well-being. If we want students to perform their best, they must have time to recharge. Let weekends be a time to refresh the mind, not exhaust it further. Let's remember, a rested student is a better learner.